Introducing the 2008 Nissan Altima. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this model challenges small car competitors, regardless of price and class. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.